G. We're going to use our ShopBot CNC machine to make a reusable mold. Let's start out by creating the shapes needed to make our letter and the container for our form. I'm using a dust boot as cutting MDF makes a lot of dust. When that's finished, let's glue up our letter to make it a little thicker, and then we're going to prime it and apply some shellac. Next, let's create the outer container. To make our mold, let's mix it up and place it in the vacuum chamber to remove any bubbles. And now we're ready to pour it. And after waiting a day, well, we finally have our mold, and it looks perfect. For our first casting, let's try concrete, but it's important to know that you can cast lots of different materials. Concrete looks really good. You can also use resin or even soap.